Have you ever wanted to sign up for a free trial, but hesitated because you didn't want to risk unexpected charges on your real credit card? That's where burner credit cards come in. In this video, we'll explore what burner credit cards are, how they work, and why they're the perfect solution for managing free trials safely. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use them to your advantage, keeping your finances secure and your inbox free from unwanted subscription charges. A burner credit card is a temporary, virtual card number that you can use online instead of your real credit card. These cards are designed to be used for a short period or for a specific transaction, such as signing up for a free trial. They help protect your main account from unauthorized charges and make it easy to manage online payments. Let's look at how they differ from your regular credit or debit card and why they're becoming increasingly popular among savvy internet users. Burner cards offer a layer of protection that your regular card simply can't. When you use a burner card for a free trial, you don't have to worry about forgetting to cancel and being charged later. If the company tries to bill you after the trial ends, the payment will fail because the burner card is either expired or has been deactivated. This gives you peace of mind and keeps your real financial information safe from potential misuse. Burner cards are typically issued by banks or financial technology companies through their apps or websites. When you request a burner card, you're given a unique card number, expiration date, and security code, just like a regular card. However, you can set spending limits, expiration dates, or even restrict the card to a single merchant. This flexibility makes them ideal for free trials and one-time purchases. Several companies offer burner card services, including Privacy.com, Revolut, and some major banks. These platforms allow you to generate virtual cards instantly and manage them through user-friendly dashboards. Some services are free, while others may charge a small fee for premium features. It's important to choose a provider that fits your needs and offers strong security measures. Getting started with a burner card is usually straightforward. First, sign up with a provider of your choice. After verifying your identity, you can create a virtual card in just a few clicks. You'll receive a card number, expiration date, and CVV code, which you can use immediately for online purchases or free trials. Most providers also let you name your cards for easy tracking. When you find a service offering a free trial, simply enter your burner card details instead of your real card. The company will process the trial as usual, but when the trial ends, any attempt to charge the card will fail if you've set it to expire or disabled it. This way, you can try out new services risk-free without worrying about surprise charges. If you like to try out several services, burner cards make it easy to keep track. You can create a separate card for each trial, nomming them after the service. This organization helps you remember which cards are linked to which trials, and you can deactivate or delete cards as soon as you're done. It's a simple way to stay organized and avoid accidental renewals. One of the best features of burner cards is the ability to set spending limits. For free trials, you can set the limit to 0 or just enough to cover a $1 verification charge. This ensures that even if a company tries to bill you, the payment won't go through. It's an extra layer of control that gives you confidence when exploring new services. After your free trial ends, you can simply deactivate or delete the burner card. This prevents any future charges from that merchant. Most providers make this process as easy as clicking a button in their app or website. It's a hassle-free way to ensure you're never billed for something you no longer want. Burner cards offer several advantages over using your regular credit or debit card for free trials. They protect your main account, reduce the risk of fraud, and make it easy to manage and cancel subscriptions. Plus, you can avoid the hassle of disputing unwanted charges with your bank. It's a smarter, safer way to explore new services online. Burner cards aren't just for free trials. They're also useful for one-time purchases, online shopping at unfamiliar sites, and protecting your information when booking travel or making reservations. Anytime you want to keep your real card details private, a burner card is a great option. Let's look at some scenarios where they come in handy. While burner cards are incredibly useful, they do have some limitations. Not all merchants accept virtual cards, and some services may require a real card for verification. Additionally, certain free trials may not work if the card has a zero balance or is set to expire too soon. It's important to read the terms of each service before signing up. Burner card providers often include advanced security features, such as instant card freezing, transaction alerts, and spending controls. These tools help you monitor your usage and respond quickly if you notice any suspicious activity. With these safeguards, you can confidently use burner cards for free trials and other online transactions. One of the main reasons people use burner cards is to protect their privacy. By using a virtual card, you keep your real card number hidden from merchants and reduce the risk of data breaches. Even if a company's database is compromised, your main account remains safe. This is especially important for free trials with lesser-known companies. Even with a burner card, it's good practice to cancel free trials before they end. Most services allow you to cancel online through your account settings. By canceling, you avoid any potential issues and keep your accounts tidy. Remember, using a burner card is an extra safety net, not a replacement for good subscription management habits. Keeping track of your free trials is easy with burner cards. Many providers offer dashboards where you can see all your active cards, their linked services, and expiration dates. This visibility helps you manage your subscriptions and avoid missing cancellation deadlines. Staying organized is key to making the most of free trials without stress. Some burner card providers let you set up automated reminders for when your free trials are about to end. These notifications can help you remember to cancel or deactivate the card before any charges occur. It's a simple tool that can save you money and prevent unwanted renewals. Most burner card providers offer mobile apps, making it easy to create, manage, and deactivate cards on the go. Whether you're signing up for a free trial from your phone or need to quickly freeze a card, the app puts control at your fingertips. This convenience is a major advantage for busy users. Burner cards can often be used internationally, making them a great option for trying out global services or signing up for trials while traveling. However, it's important to check with your provider about any restrictions or fees for international transactions. This flexibility adds another layer of convenience for frequent travelers. If you share streaming or subscription services with family or friends, burner cards can help manage payments and prevent accidental renewals. Each person can use their own card, making it easy to track who's responsible for which service. This approach keeps things organized and avoids confusion over shared expenses. Businesses can also benefit from burner cards, especially for managing software trials, online tools, or employee expenses. By issuing separate cards for each service or employee, companies can control spending and reduce the risk of unauthorized charges. It's a practical solution for both individuals and organizations. When selecting a burner card provider, consider factors like fees, security features, ease of use, and customer support. Read reviews and compare options to find the best fit for your needs. A reliable provider will make the process seamless and give you confidence in using burner cards for free trials and more. It's important to use burner cards responsibly. While they're great for protecting your finances, always follow the terms of service for any trial or subscription. Avoid using burner cards to exploit free trials repeatedly, as this can violate company policies and lead to account bans. Use them as a tool for security, not for abuse. If burner cards aren't available in your region, consider alternatives like prepaid cards or using PayPal for free trials. Some banks also offer temporary card numbers for online purchases. While these options may not offer all the same features, they can still help protect your main account from unwanted charges. If you run into issues using a burner card for a free trial, check that the card is active, has the correct balance, and is accepted by the merchant. Some services may require additional verification or may not accept virtual cards. Contact your provider's support team for help if you encounter problems. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your burner card provider's app. This helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps your financial data secure. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions immediately. Good security habits go hand in hand with using burner cards effectively. To recap, using a burner card for free trials is simple. Choose a provider, create a virtual card, use it for your trial, and deactivate it when you're done. This process protects your real card, prevents unwanted charges, and gives you full control over your online subscriptions. It's a smart way to explore new services without risk. Always read the terms of any free trial, set reminders to cancel, and keep your burner cards organized. Use strong security settings and stay aware of any changes in your provider's policies. With these best practices, you'll maximize the benefits of burner cards and enjoy free trials with total peace of mind. Burner credit cards are a powerful tool for anyone who wants to try out free trials without risking unwanted charges or exposing their real card details. By following the steps and tips we've covered, you can take full advantage of free offers online, keep your finances secure, and avoid the hassle of surprise renewals. Give burner cards a try and enjoy the freedom to explore new services safely.